Trust GXT 863 Mazz Gaming Keyboard Review. The Trust GXT 863 Mazz Gaming Keyboard is great for PC gamers who have a limited budget, and it definitely fits the part with plenty of colorful lighting and clicking mechanical buttons. From an aesthetic perspective, the GXT 863 Mazz would look quite at home with a gaming setup, since its style is similar to a number of other equipment for playing video games. The lighting options are limited to only 14 preset options, though products from companies like Razer or Corsair can be modified using a branded software platform. The lighting is not very bright when compared with other alternatives on the market, such as the Corsair K65 RGB Mini or the Razer Huntsman Mini that will leave you disappointed. The build quality is, as mentioned, slightly unimpressive. The plastic material is slightly textured with a light grain texture that attracts fingerprints like nobody's business, and it doesn't offer much in the way of rigidity, as demonstrated when you press around on the keyboard. There is a certain amount of soft trembling, so it's not recommended for environments in which things are frequently knocked over, such as in offices or classrooms. This keyboard does not place a customized difficulty on your wrist while typing, which is the only thing that really matters. It is a fairly lightweight model, weighing just 730 g. If you are thinking about later buying one anyways, however, you're much better off with a heavier mechanical or smartphone keyboard if that's what you want. Double-shot keycaps used can be helpful for pleasant finger entry as well as the removal and adjustment of the keyboard's keys. The typing experience is generally pleasant until you need to access any of the permitted keypad elements along the bottom or on the side. These appear to have generated more groaning noises, likely caused by the springs in the OutEmu red key switches not being lubricated, and it may not seem like a big deal, but it will certainly get annoying if you are sensitive to the noises. The switches are rated for at least 50 million key presses, so the product quality is questionable, but Trust will have faith in their longevity. We played some rounds of Apex Legends using the GXT 863 Mazz, and the video game experienced no noticeable frame lags, which completely meets the specifications of those who are looking for a gaming-friendly mechanical keyboard devoid of unnecessary features. You have the ability to take advantage of anti-ghosting technology and a Win key lock, which are usually found on more luxurious hardware. The game cannot be saved to a different profile unless the software is upgraded, making it difficult to jot down key statistics for different games you play as you can do on upgraded keyboards. This keyboard should get you through the daily basics on a budget. It is also a solid first step that will introduce children to the difference between membrane and mechanical keyboards. However, if you're a keyboard enthusiast, you may be disappointed with the keyboard's lack of a global renown.